matter of fact, cop a double stack, for 25 and you be rolling like a Cadillac. Cause when them thick girls, they have you jumping back. Try to Cadillac.
And I'm peerless, that means I'm eyeless, which means I'm fearless, which means my iris resides where my ears is, which means I'm blinded, but I'm blinded, I can feel its nearness, but I'm a peer, so I don't come near, like a chicken or deer. But I remember I'm not a listener or a seer, so my windshield's near. Here, you steer, I really shouldn't be behind this, clearly cause my blindness. The windshield is minstrel, the whole British roadkill, so trill and so sincere. Yeah, I'm both in there. Took both pills when a bloke in the trench coat and the lokes in the chair had approached the mirror. Made it clear as a ghost, so I write other notes in the mirror. The writer of the quotes for the ghost who supplier of the notes that we live in. Rivets in his rose that pockets full of posies given to the mother of the deceased. Awaken that wall till I'm resting in peace.
You going up, heads move. They telling me that they don't feel you. When you graduate from school, the big words ain't cool. Yeah, I heard me in this. Niggas home for them. We don't care about the mother. You still won't practice it.
And I'm knowledge, choosing soundless. And as far as the hearing I found it, it was as far as the distance from the image of the ground is. From the door knockers on the ear, I was stupidest in the leer. She's riding, I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying.